Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, my microphone now works, and we move into the teleoperated period on this second lower bracket match with red with a slight lead. Strike zone, that red machine moves over into their red loading zone. They grab a cone and zip across the field to do some scoring for red. Meanwhile, Metal Muscle is up and over their charging station, grabbing some of those free game pieces as they go back across the field and tag into their own alliance mate. The Gems, 43-62, working on doing some scoring as that Robo Jacket machine taking a little bit of a break, saving some battery power, hopefully for the end of the match. 35-36, Electro Eagles working the field well, getting over into their blue loading zone and cycling pretty well. As we have about 70 seconds left in this one, Red's up 107 to a blue 73. Gems are up and over that charge station, going back to their blue loading zone to get some more game pieces. And Electro Eagles right in behind them. Okay, the strike zone machine is up and moving again. They tag into strike zone as they go across the field. And we've got another 3v3 match. Red's ahead. Blue's not going to let them have it easy as we get into the end game period here. Red has 8, count them, 8 links. Blue has 4. And we're going to see if that red team or the Red Alliance can maximize the links. We've got 3 red robots up. Will they engage? We've got 2 blue robots up. And with 3 seconds left, this one is done. The Red Alliance here was 1 game piece short of filling all the grids over on the red side, and I believe we have some scores ready for this one. Let's roll it. It's going to be a win for the Red Alliance with a score of 188 to 135. We would like to give a big thank you and shout out to Team 9998, Team 4362, and Team 3536 for giving us some excellent competition here at Kettering.
Well, match number 6 is in the book. A phenomenal play by the number 2 Alliance. Definitely back in form of what we expected from them in the first match. Almost a full grid, Jim.
Yeah, it's amazing. This is the type of gameplay that we saw at MSC and at the World Championship months back, and we're getting it here just at an off-season event in Michigan. It's fantastic. Again, Red Alliance got their game on, coming back after their struggles in match 1, but here on their second outing, looking great. That triple cone autonomous start. With a great autonomous yield, 45 points for the Red Alliance.
Yeah, and you notice they're still missing a couple of the cubes on there. So Red Alliance has even more upside going into it. Points-wise, the way it works out, not necessarily that way, but when the more you can score, the more potentially I think we might see a supercharged grid at some point as well.
Oh, certainly. They were only one piece off of filling the grid, so they certainly got it in them. Again, that 5460 machine, probably the fastest robot in the state of Michigan, and really throwing it down here. Blue Alliance, unfortunately, you can see it already here. 9998 dead. This Blue Alliance cannot catch a break. Gems went down in their first match here, and now 9998 going down. They come back later, but out for a significant portion of this match.
Something I want to call here on the Red Alliance, you always look for a little bit of improvements here. Look at about 90 seconds here. You're going to see all 3 red robots right here. Now, it looks really nice. It looks very choreographed, but unfortunately, sometimes when you have that, that means that all 3 now are going to try to get back here at the same time, and it does cause a little bit of congestion by doing something like that.
Yeah, a little crash on the corner of the ramp there by Team Flurb coming out, but did give priority to their partner going out first, giving deference to the faster robot.
Yeah, and you know, the thing looking at the scores right now, you have about 100 to 73 right now for Red Alliance. You know, I wonder with 9998 in full action. I mean, Red was just firing on all cylinders. I don't know how much of a difference that would have made. You see them come back here at about 65, scoring a couple really quick here, though.
Yeah, they did. 9998 really contributing, and Team Gems up and running, running the whole match this time, running consistent cycles, but Blue just unable to keep up with the speed of this Red Alliance. So I think number 2 Alliance here is going to give number 1 a run for their money when they get together later.
Well, I got to get there first. We'll see. Coming into end game as well, too, on here. Both alliances looking to climb at about the 22nd mark, getting docked and engaged as well.
Yep, again, nice, clean. Got a double balance here for Blue, and little razzle-dazzle here, but 7 seconds remaining, and a triple balance for the Red Alliance, closing it out with a 188 score.
Very well done by the Red Alliance. We do say, unfortunately, goodbye to our number 6 Blue Alliance, but more matches come up here. Match number 7 coming up in just a moment. Let's send it back down to the field.